Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is taking a look at Andrew Scheps' kick and snare parallel compression trick. Andrew Scheps is a famous sound engineer who has been working with such great musicians as Metallica, Red Hot Chili Peppers, Adele, Jay-Z, and many more. So in today's video we're gonna be taking a look at Andrew Scheps' kick and snare parallel compression trick. This trick is very simple to use, and by doing this trick it will help you to make your kick and snare stand out in the mix. So in this case we can use parallel compression for all of our drums to make our drums stand out in the mix and to make our drums sound louder in the mix. We can use some additional or we can use some extra parallel compression for our kick and snare. So in this case, in original video, Andrew Scheps used DVX 160 compressor for his kick and snare parallel compression trick, and he used Universal Audio version of DVX compressor, and I'm gonna be using Waves Audio version of DVX 160 compressor. So here you can see the settings for our threshold, for our compression, and for our output gain. So here we have a bunch of kicks and snares, and now let's have a listen to our kicks and snares with and without parallel compression. Now let's have a listen to our kick and snare parallel compression only. Now let's have a listen to our kick and snare in our drums mix. So by using this simple but very effective trick, you can make your kick and snare stand out in any mix. Thank you so much for watching, I hope this video will be useful for you, and if you want to learn more from Andrew Scheps, you can join Mix with the Masters Online Academy, a link will be in the info box of this video, and see you next time.